Hello friends, welcome back again. Today's video we will try to understand addition command. How we can use the addition command in LSPLC. First of all, we will open our XT5000 software and here we will take a first input bit of my PLC IX0 and the next row we will type at the F10 and type in the search bar ADD. When you type the ADD, you will get the addition command and click it OK. And after we will write the datas in 1 and in 2. If you like to see in the help, and you can double click and go to the help, and after you can see the description here. What he says, execute the function in case of 1 in value 1 and in value 2, value 2 add, and after this will be answer gives in the out. So what's the meaning? Yani this is the basically look like a calculator, and this in 1 for an example MD10 we will choose some data register, and here is a we choose MD20, means here is some values coming from the field or outside any counter, timer or whatever. Yani this value comes at the two data registers, and this command what will be do, this command calculate this two values and answer gives you into the next data register, which we will be type here. For an example MD30 we will be choose, and this command will be fast which value is comes at the MD10 and MD20, these two data registers, it will be calculate immediately and answer provides you into the next data register MD30. And after this MD30 you can use in your program for any logic. So this program we will be downloaded into the PLC. Click it on right, click OK, and wait for some seconds until the program download into the PLC. Again click yes, again click OK, and your program is completely downloaded into the PLC, and now you can monitor your logic. Now you can see there is a two data registers and value shown 0. For an example, here we will type the value, for example 25, and here is a also value coming for the 25. Double click it on this one or make it the 25 and click OK, and now you can see there is a 25 and 25, two values are ready at this command. As we will give the signal at IX0, this command immediately moves the value into the MD30. So I will now press my IX0 and you can see this value immediately moves into the MD30. Again one more time we will write the value here. For example 30 we will be type, and again we will be press the IX0, and you can see this value is 30 plus 25 is the 55. This will be immediately moves into the next data register. One more value we will be tried. For an example 50 value you will be type and click OK, and after you will press the IX0. After you can see this addition command moves the value 75 and gives in the next data register. And also this 3 or 4 values also you can type. For an example this command we will be click it here, and this is addition to dint, addition to dint, addition to lint, addition to real. After you will see here addition 3 dint also have. For an example 3 values if you like to be calculate, so you can click this one and click it OK, and you can see now here is a 3 values are ready. one more data register we can take here. For an example, MD40 we will be choose, and this program we will be downloaded into the PLC again, and now we will check this addition 3 dint command. Click yes and again click yes and monitor the program, and now you can see there is a, for an example, 5 value is coming, and here is a, for an example, 6 values coming, and now here is coming for an example 10 value comes, and click enter, and now you will if give the signal at IX0 as you execute this command. After you will be see answer is 21. Immediately you can find at the output register. You can see 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 5 was 21. One more value will be try. For an example, this 10 we will be leave, and for an example here also we will be type 10, and here also we will be type the 10. So click OK, and now we will again give the signal at IX0, and after you can see 30 value is ready at the MD30. So this way you can use this command for the immediately some values if you like to be calculate. So you can use this commands addition command. So hope guys you will be understand about the addition command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.